YOT increase and Lace Twincrease are combinations of Twincrease and Yanova. They are further additions to the family of central double increases when we are making 3 new stitches by working into the one basic stitch. On this sample, 1 T increase, 2 3 over is a triple increase, 3 YOT increase, and 4 Lace Twincrease. The last two have a tiny slit in the center between 2 new stitches. The size of the hole depends on when the central Yanova is made. Both double increases are very beautiful and can be used to create endless symmetrical lace patterns. Yanova T increase or YOT increase is worked similar to the T increase. The difference is that instead of central stitch we make a Yanova. It can be used for chevrons and lace patterns. YOT increase is made in 3 steps. In the first row, purl 1 stitch with double wrap. In the second row, make 2 new stitches with Yanova between them. Slip the double wrapped stitch purlwise and wind the loop around the left needle from front to back. Work the first knit stitch from this position and drop the first loop off the left needle. Make 1 Yanova. Work the second knit stitch, inserting right needle into the second loop as usual, knitwise, and off the needle. In the third row, purl Yanova as open lace stitch to make a hole. The Yanova T increase is completed in 3 rows, a symmetrical double increase with small hole. Lace Twincrease is a simple combination of Twincrease and Yanova increase. After we created 2 new stitches, we separate them with a Yanova. It can be used for chevrons and lace patterns. Here is a pure Twincrease without any Yanovas for you to compare. In the first row, create an elongated stitch by working a double wrap. In the second row, make Twincrease. Slip the double wrap purlwise, wind long loop around the left needle from front to back, work first knit stitch from this position, work the second knit stitch as usual, knitwise, and off the needle. In the third row, place 1 Yanova between 2 Twincrease stitches. Purl 1, 1 Yanova, purl 1. In the fourth row, knit the Yanova as open lace increase to make a hole. The Lace Twincrease is completed in 4 rows, a symmetrical double increase with bigger hole. Yanova T increase and Lace Twincrease seen from both sides. The attractive chain pattern is made with Lace Twincrease. The stitch pattern instructions are on website, link below.